Hello, everyone. Welcome to the HZ English Pod, where we make learning English simple and enjoyable. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Liam. Hey, Sophie. Hey, everyone listening today.
We're really excited to have you here. Today, we're going to talk about work and life, two things everyone can relate to.
That's right. We'll use simple words and speak clearly so you can follow along easily.
Before we begin, if you find this helpful, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps us create more content for you.
Yes, and leave a comment too. We love hearing from you. Tell us where you're listening from.
So, Liam, how was your weekend? You look pretty relaxed today.
Oh, Sophie, my weekend was wonderful. I finally had 2 days off, 2 whole days.
2 days off? That sounds amazing. What did you do?
Well, on Saturday, I woke up late, very late. I woke up at 10:30 in the morning.
10:30? Wow, that is late. I usually wake up at 7 every day, even on weekends.
Really? Even on Saturday and Sunday?
Yes, my body is like a clock. I can't sleep late anymore. It's terrible.
That sounds difficult, but you know what? Waking up early has some good points.
Like what?
Well, you have more time in the day. You can do more things.
That's true. On Saturday morning, I went to the park. The park was so quiet and peaceful. There were only a few people there.
Oh, that sounds nice. Which park did you go to?
Riverside Park. It's near my apartment. Do you know it?
Yes, I know it. It has that big lake, right?
Exactly. I love watching the ducks on the lake. They're so funny. They swim around and sometimes they fight over bread.
Ducks fighting over bread. I can imagine that. Did you feed them?
No, actually, there's a sign that says, "Don't feed the ducks." I just watched them.
I see. So after the park, what did you do?
I went home and cleaned my apartment. It was very messy. Clothes on the chair, dishes in the sink, books on the floor, everywhere.
Oh no, I hate cleaning. It takes so much time.
I know, but I put on some music and it helped. Music makes everything better.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music, upbeat songs that make you want to dance. What about you?
I prefer rock music. Classic rock from the 70s and 80s. My dad used to play it all the time when I was a kid.
That's sweet. Music connects us to memories, doesn't it?
It does. Speaking of memories, guess what I found on Saturday?
What did you find?
Old photos. Photos from my university days. I was looking in my closet for a jacket and I found a big box.
A box of photos? That's like finding treasure.
Yes, exactly. I sat on my bedroom floor for 2 hours looking at every photo.
2 hours? You must have many photos.
Hundreds, maybe more. Photos of my friends, my old dormitory, football games, birthday parties, everything.
That sounds nostalgic. Do you miss university?
Sometimes. University life was simple. Now adult life is more complicated.
I understand. More responsibilities, more bills, more stress.
Exactly. Speaking of stress, how is your job going, Sophie?
Oh, Liam, my job is interesting right now.
Interesting. That doesn't sound completely good. What's happening?
Well, we have a new manager. Her name is Rachel.
A new manager. Is she nice?
She's very professional, very organized, but also very strict.
Strict how?
She wants everything perfect. Every email, every document, every meeting, perfect.
That sounds stressful.
It is. Last week, she asked me to rewrite a report 3 times. 3 times, Liam.
3 times? What was wrong with it?
She said the font was too small, then the margins were wrong, then the graphs weren't clear enough.
That's very detailed. Maybe she's a perfectionist.
Yes, definitely a perfectionist. But you know what? I learned something.
What did you learn?
I learned that doing things carefully from the beginning is better. Now I check everything twice before I send it to her.
That's a good lesson. So Rachel isn't all bad then.
No, she's not bad, just different from our old manager, David.
What was David like?
David was very relaxed. Too relaxed, maybe. He never checked our work. He trusted everyone.
And Rachel doesn't trust people?
I think Rachel believes in the saying, trust but verify.
That's a good saying. So how do your other colleagues feel about Rachel?
Mixed feelings. Some people like her because they learn a lot. Other people miss David and his relaxed style.
Change is always difficult.
It is, but life is about adapting, right?
Right. Hey, speaking of adapting, I have news about my job too.
Oh, tell me.
My company is moving to a new office building next month.
A new building? Where?
Downtown, right in the center of the city.
Downtown. That's exciting. Is it bigger than your current office?
Much bigger. We'll have a cafeteria, a gym, even a rooftop garden.
A rooftop garden? That sounds beautiful. You can eat lunch outside.
Yes, I'm really looking forward to that. But there's one problem.
What's the problem?
The commute. It will take me much longer to get to work.
How long now and how long with the new office?
Now it takes me 20 minutes by bus. The new office will take 50 minutes.
50 minutes? That's a big difference. That's more than double.
I know. I'm thinking about different options.
Like what?
Maybe I could take the train instead of the bus, or maybe I could ride my bicycle.
Bicycle? How far is it?
About 15 kilometers.
15 kilometers is quite far. Do you exercise regularly?
Not really. That's another problem, but maybe this could be my exercise.
That's a good idea. Cycling is great exercise. You save money and stay healthy.
Exactly. Kill two birds with one stone.
But what about rainy days?
On rainy days, I'll take the train. I need a backup plan.
Smart thinking. When does the move happen?
March 15th, so I have a few weeks to prepare.
Will you help with the moving? Packing boxes and things like that?
Yes, everyone in the company needs to pack their own desk. We have to label all our boxes.
That sounds like a lot of work.
It is, but they're giving us a day off after the move to settle into the new space.
A day off? That's generous.
I think they know it will be chaotic at first. New building, new systems, everything new.
Change can be chaotic, but also exciting.
True. I'm trying to stay positive. Hey, Sophie, do you ever think about changing jobs?
Sometimes, when Rachel makes me rewrite something for the 4th time.
I understand. But seriously, are you happy with your job?
Overall, yes. I like my colleagues, the work is interesting, the salary's okay.
Okay doesn't sound very enthusiastic.
Well, everyone wants more money, right? But I'm comfortable. I can pay my rent, buy groceries, save a little bit each month.
That's important. Financial stability.
What about you? Are you happy with your job?
Yes, I think so. Some days are hard, some days are easy. That's normal.
What do you do exactly? I don't think you ever told me.
I'm a graphic designer. I create websites, logos, advertisements, visual things.
That sounds creative. Do you enjoy it?
I do. I like seeing my ideas become real. When a client says, I love this design, it feels good.
I bet. Creating something from nothing is special.
What about you, Sophie? What's your job?
I'm an accountant. I work with numbers all day. Budgets, expenses, financial reports.
Numbers? I'm terrible with numbers. I respect people who can do that.
It's not for everyone, but I like it. Numbers make sense. They follow rules. They're predictable.
Unlike people. People are unpredictable.
Exactly. You never know what people will do or say.
That's what makes life interesting, though.
You're right. A little unpredictability keeps life exciting.
Speaking of exciting, do you have any plans for this weekend?
Actually, yes. My sister is visiting me.
Your sister? From where?
From Boston. She lives in Boston with her husband and 2 kids.
How old are her kids?
5 and 7. 2 boys. They're very energetic.
2 boys. That sounds like a lot of energy.
It is. But they're sweet. We're going to the zoo on Sunday.
The zoo? The kids will love that.
I hope so. I haven't been to the zoo in years. Maybe 10 years.
Me neither. What animals do you want to see?
I love elephants. They're so big and gentle. What about you?
I like penguins. They waddle when they walk. It's funny.
Penguins are funny. We should go to the zoo together sometime.
That would be fun. A group trip. We could invite other people too.
Good idea. After your office moves and everything settles down.
Perfect. It's a plan.
You know, Liam, talking with you always makes me feel better.
Really? Why?
Because it reminds me that everyone has challenges. Work, life, changes. We all deal with these things.
That's true. Nobody's life is perfect. We all have our struggles.
But we keep going. We adapt. We find solutions.
Exactly. Like my bicycle plan for the commute.
And like me learning to work with Rachel's perfectionism.
We're both growing and learning.
That's what life is about, isn't it? Continuous growth.
I think so. Every challenge is an opportunity to become stronger.
Well, Liam, I think we should wrap up our conversation for today.
Yes, we covered a lot of topics: work, life, changes, plans.
Let's do a quick summary for everyone listening.
Good idea. So today, Sophie and I talked about our weekends. Sophie went to the park early in the morning and cleaned her apartment.
And Liam woke up late and found old photos from his university days.
We also talked about work. Sophie has a new manager named Rachel who is very strict but helps everyone learn.
And Liam's office is moving downtown next month. He's thinking about cycling to work for exercise.
We talked about job satisfaction and finding balance between work and life.
And we made plans to visit the zoo in the future.
The most important lesson today: everyone faces challenges, but we all find ways to adapt and grow.
That's beautiful, Liam.
Before we finish, we want to hear from you, our listeners.
Yes, please leave a comment below. Tell us, what is the biggest challenge at your job right now?
Or tell us, what do you do to relax after a long day at work?
We read all your comments, and we love learning about your lives.
It helps us create better content for you.
Don't forget to subscribe to the HZ English Cod.
And turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, thank you. We appreciate every single one of you.
Keep practicing your English. You're doing great.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.